Prokaryotes and eukaryotes. All species of living things can be divided into two categories, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes are all microscopic and made up of only one small, simple cell. Eukaryotes have multiple cells that are larger, more complex, and work together to form larger structures, such as animals, plants, fungi, and protists. Prokaryotes are the simplest organisms that adhere to biology's definition of life. Some characteristics common to all organisms: organization or order, adaptation, response to the environment, regulation, energy processing, growth and development, and reproduction. Prokaryotes are the simplest living organisms. They are microscopic, thrive almost everywhere, have tremendous diversity, and their numbers are incalculable. There are two types: bacteria, found on all surfaces. Some cause human disease, others are necessary for humans to survive. And archaea, earliest living organisms, found in environments too extreme for humans to survive. All prokaryotes are unicellular, meaning a single cell is considered an entire organism. They can live on their own, but most form colonies, large groups of millions, billions, or more that live in a tightly packed area. They have a variety of shape and functions. The most common shapes are cocci, spherical-shaped, and bacilli, rod-shaped. Most prokaryotes have a cell wall. The cell wall is outside the cell's plasma membrane and maintains the cell's shape, provides physical protection, and prevents the cell from bursting in a hypotonic, greater concentration of water molecules inside the cell than outside, environment. Most motile prokaryotes propel themselves by flagella, a tail-like protein structure. This allows these prokaryotes to exhibit taxis, the ability to move toward or away from certain stimuli. Pili are thin protein tubes originating from the prokaryotic cell membrane that are used to attach to other cells or objects, or to transfer genetic information from one cell to another. Inside a prokaryotic cell, ribosomes and a chromosome can be found free-floating in the cytoplasm. The prokaryotic chromosome is a double-stranded, circular structure containing the prokaryote's DNA. Prokaryotes usually only have one chromosome, and the area where it is located is known as the nucleoid. All cells have four structures in common. They are surrounded by a cell or plasma membrane that isolates the inside of the cell from the outside environment. They contain a semi-fluid substance called the cytoplasm. They contain one or more chromosomes, which carry genetic information in the form of DNA. And they have ribosomes, which assemble proteins out of amino acids.